Little boat, big lake, no problem, right? What's going on, everybody? My name is Brian. You're watching Angling Anarchy. The little boat we're in is mine, which some people would say is not very little, but on Lake Michigan sure feels that way, especially when the waves are kicking up, and this was a day that it was. This is actually part two of the first day that Ben Stone and I got out on Lake Michigan together from this past August, so it was a great day. I believe we put 9 fish in the boat with 16, 17 hits, so there'll be a little mix of swings and misses and catches in this video, but it is just a blast, and it is really cool to have that sort of world-class fishery in southern Wisconsin and close enough for me to get to within an hour and a half. So I hope you enjoy Ben Stone and I catching some salmon and trout on Lake Michigan. So let's get right into it.
30 seconds of running on 10.
Did I tell you I can have this on 10 full bore for half hour and it doesn't trip the breaker?
Yeah, mine doesn't. Well, we're in the process of turning around because it got kind of slow, and Brian's hooked up.
All right. Diipsey diver on a 1.5 setting, and I think the spoon color is Atomic Melon. Such goofy names with the stuff. Yeah, the fish we were getting earlier we started at about 95, made it up to about 120, got most of them, and now we're in 160. So maybe this is a steelhead or a coho, but there it is right there, so we'll have to get the net.
It's a steelhead, right? Yeah, I know my fish. Heck yeah.
Let's take a look at him. It's a nice one. Nice little. The steelhead, they're a lot more blue to them.
Yeah.
Really cool looking fish.
It's almost, it reminds me of like that holographic paper they put in like plastics.
I know, man. It's so cool. It's such a neat looking fish.
Awesome.
Yeah. Well, maybe that's the start of a couple of steelies that'll hit our Diipsey divers here. They're out there. Enough.
It's enough to just be uncomfortable. It's like I feel. Oh. That's. That was a bad conversation. Ooh, he's running a bit. Is your money on this being another steelhead?
So yeah, out here anyway.
It's got some weight to it. No, yeah. Yeah. So the hardest fighter yet. Oh yeah, no, not at all. Yeah, she was just up on the surface. It's kind of coming in tornado-y. It's not anything big.
Put up a pretty, I mean, for the size there, they put up pretty good scrap.
Yeah.
That might be a Coho, actually. Oh yeah, beautiful fish, man.
A lot of energy. And would those be eggs in its stomach?
Yeah.
Plump full of eggs. And if you,
I mean, honestly, it could be fish too. We'll have to see. Oh,
yeah.
we just had another bite.
All right, well,
Tripped our diipsey.
I should probably hurry up here. If you haven't tried fishing for trout or salmon, they fight so hard. Even when you're reeling in with a big weight or a diipsey diver, this is like some of the most fun fighting fish that I've caught in a very long time. So we're gonna bonk this guy so we can eat him. And
yeah, the fish is still on there.
yeah, is it still okay? So let's get this other one. You're up. Well, Brian was just talking about how the downriggers haven't done anything.
All you gotta do is talk bad about something. Oh boy. Almost got us.
Oh man, my life just flashed before my eyes. I thought I was going in. Do you want me to reel that one in?
Yeah, we might have to get that line.
Okay.
Oh, Ben, fish.
Oh.
Take that.
So the downriggers weren't doing anything, Brian.
So much for that, huh?
Alright, I'm gonna.
This will be interesting.
How does you? Oh, I think mine's off.
Oh, really?
Maybe.
We might just be running towards the clear.
I think mine's off.
You're kind of bopping around back there.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Damn it. I don't know. It's got to be off because it felt really heavy. Yeah, it's off.
All right, well.
You still want me to reel that other one in?
No, I think it's good right now. You can just throw that one in the, just reel it all the way to the tip and put her in the,
No. Oh man. Does yours feel decent?
it was probably another one of those decent kings.
Damn. That's what mine felt like. Deal with
There
it.
you go, fish right there, Ben.
Ooh, that feels decent. Beautiful background to catch a fish.
Yeah, man.
Ooh, this one's kicking my ass. Yeah, whatever this is, it's not happy to be hooked. No. Dude, wow. Stand down. Nice. Heck yeah. Dude. Oh, she popped off too. That's sick.
Oh man. One of those 15 pounders probably. You want to get that?
Yeah. All right, well, we're like past sunset now. We got a beautiful backdrop behind us, and I think this is definitely one of the bigger fish we've caught today. It was like super fat plump king, like kicked my ass in the battle. So sick, so sick. Wow, that is a huge tail on that thing. Holy cow. Oh man. What a fish. I'm having a tough time even holding it. That is incredible. Like I said, my only experience with salmon that I've had really was flossing them and snagging them in Alaska. So to catch them this kind of a way is so cool. These fish put up such an incredible fight. I definitely understand the salmon hype now. But we're gonna give this one a bonk because I got a feeling this one's gonna taste pretty good. But I mean, just look at the build on that fish. Absolutely incredible. Insane. Insane. Wow. All right. Well, we got time to catch more, so let's try to catch some more.
All right, folks, that is it for this video. A great afternoon out on Lake Michigan with Ben Stone. I've got another day's worth of us hitting the water, so if you enjoy this Lake Michigan content, please leave a comment, hit the like button, all that jazz, and we'll keep making this stuff. Most of the content I do on this channel is musky fishing related, but I do really enjoy hitting the big water for salmon and trout out on Lake Michigan. So I am going to make sure to do that again at least a couple times next year. So again, if you like it, please let me know. And with that, I appreciate every single one of you watching this mess, and I'll see you on the next video.